everyone, good evening. Let's have more Ilocano phrases for tonight. Let's have another 5. Let's start. First one, I forgot. Nalipatak. 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 I forgot. Example, nalipatak gumatang ti sida. Nalipatak gumatang ti sida. Nalipatak gumatang ti sida. I forgot to buy viand. Nalipatak gumatang ti sida. Tagalog, nakalimutan kong bumili ng ulam. Nalipatak gumatang ti sida. Second one, Ammok. 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 I know. Or, if you wanna say, yeah, I know. Or, yes, I know. One Ammok. One Ammok. One Ammok. Let's say that again. One Ammok. Ammok. Yeah, I know. Or, yes, I know. Nalipatak gumatang ti sida. One Ammok. Mapanak gumatangen. And we have Ammokon. 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 I already know. I already know. Fourth one, Iggamam. 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 Here, Iggamam. Iggamam. And for our last one, open it. Open it. Lukatam. 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 Iggamam. Lukatam. Here. Hold it. Open it. Open it. Lukatam. 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 That's all for tonight, and apologies for not being able to make videos every week. I have work in the morning and in the evening and just few other things going on. But whenever I have time, just like tonight, I'm going to continue making Ilocano and Tagalog videos. For now, that's all. See you in the next video. Good night. Bye.